it, press down through his power line. And almost the other way, about the cheek, a little bit back, side to front, back.
I'll hold your feet. I'm just going to lay straight back. We're going to do this arm. I've got this leg, so I can kind of like control her. And then I'm going to give her my thigh, her shoulder.
Oh, there it is. See?
And then
Ladies and gentlemen, do me one last favor and clap your hands like this. Clap, clap, clap. When he lands, I need y'all to go crazy. This is not easy. When he lands, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Oh my God! Stand up first, stand up, shake his hand, shake his hand. When you guys can go back and tell your friends and family you got jumped by a white guy in LA. Ladies and gentlemen, that was our show. God bless you all. Welcome to Santa Monica, California. Any last donations will be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys.
Also, keep in mind that two of my friends are single and looking for green cards, all right? Your donations today will keep them to the USA. Don't send my boys home early. Also, follow our Instagram at The Break Squad LA. If we hit 10K followers, we drop our OnlyFans. I'm ready for that.
Finally! Fucking finally!
No. Get out of here, Mio. No. No. You can see it from right here. What are you gonna say, huh? I said for you. What happened? There's a kid in here.
so
falling in love with you. Right there, falling in love with you. Right there, falling in love with you. Mahalo, thank you.
Soak it in the sun and make a groovy lemon pie. The candy man. Oh, the candy man.
Imagínate que cuando mi familia tenía la pandemia, yo conseguí que había tenía la
Pretty in the sky are also on the faces with them fishnets going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, watch it drink. I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, oh yes, what a wonderful world. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a wonderful world. Grab somebody you love and just tell them you love them. Oh yes, this is beautiful right here. The sun comes up and it goes down. The tide goes in and out. And when you smile with the world, it'll smile right back at you. Oh yes, it will. Yeah, look at that smile on that gentleman right there. Yeah, I see you. And I think to myself, oh yes, what a wonderful world. Thank you, daughter. Good to see you again. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, wait, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? And for you and your sister saying, I love you. Take them all. I hear babies cry. I watch them grow. They'll learn much more, thank you, than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, oh yes, what a wonderful world. Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York. Are these vagabond shoes are longing to stray. All right, through the very heart of it. Oh yeah, you ready? In old New York. in the city that never sleeps. Oh yes, and I'm king. Oh, thank you, my friend. Atop of the heat, number one of these small town blues are melting away. Thank you. I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York. These little town blues.
Pretty color too.